Earth's biosphere is made up of plants, animals, bacteria, fungi, and you. Every living thing on Earth's land and in its water is part of the biosphere. Living things can have a big effect on each other, and they affect the other three systems that make up Earth: the atmosphere, the geosphere, and the hydrosphere. Let's take a closer look at our biosphere and what it means to be a part of it. Most plants in the biosphere can be found growing in soil, where they get many nutrients needed for growth. Soil takes thousands of years to form as the rock in the geosphere is broken down. Plants and animals play a role in the formation of soil. Plant roots break down the rock, while animals move and mix up the sediments. Dead plant and animal material breaks down and adds nutrients to the soil. The organisms in the biosphere depend on and change the gases in the atmosphere. Plants need carbon dioxide and animals need oxygen. The biosphere also depends on and changes the hydrosphere. Plants take in water from the soil and release water vapor. Parts of the biosphere affect one another. Plants provide food for some animals, and those animals provide food for other animals. Changes to one plant or animal in a food web cause changes to the other organisms in the web. Living things need gases from the atmosphere. They need water from the hydrosphere. And plants depend on nutrients from the soil, which is part of the geosphere. Let's look more closely at how energy and matter move from one system to another. Think about the energy of wind in the atmosphere. A strong wind can do damage to trees and homes. A gentle wind can help carry seeds from plants to new places to grow. Energy from the wind can be transformed into electrical energy people can use. Wind turbines do that job. Dams help transform energy from moving water into electricity. People have found ways to generate electricity or heat their homes using heat energy from deep inside Earth. Heat energy from the geosphere is called geothermal energy. Human interactions in the biosphere can sometimes cause problems for the other spheres. Some areas are currently facing deforestation, or the mass clearing of trees from an area. Those trees would have been the homes and food sources for other living things. Plants use carbon dioxide and release oxygen into the atmosphere. Fewer trees means more carbon dioxide in the air. Roots from trees and other plants hold on to soil and help keep the soil from eroding or getting swept away by wind or water. Having fewer plants in an area can increase the risk of landslides. It's not just what we take out of the biosphere that could cause a problem. It's what we put into it as well. The construction of roads and highways contributes to deforestation. Construction causes pollution of the air, water, and soil. Many farms use chemical fertilizers and insecticides to increase production and to be more profitable. But they can also contaminate the air, soil, and water, the atmosphere, geosphere, and hydrosphere. Think about your interactions with the geosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and other parts of the biosphere. How do you and the other systems affect each other?